how to remove the ribs and skin on yellowtail belly. Note this really only works with a very sharp knife. So the goal today is to guide the knife just below the rib cage to feel the knife sliding right below the ribs and along the membrane of this skin. This protective layer of ribs and membrane is going to be removed, but ever so slightly, not to remove the beautiful pieces of toro that are just below it. Once this is removed, we're going to have to remove the skin. The goal here is to slice down at 90 degrees until you feel the skin without cutting through the skin. Then angle the knife flat to the cutting border ever so slightly down along the leading edge to shave the skin off by sliding the knife back and forth while also pulling the skin tight from the releasing end. There you have it, a beautiful piece of toro with the skin and ribs removed. Now we're going to make a tataki with this piece of belly. We're going to just sear it with a torch, or you can do it with a pan. Once it's slightly cooked just on that outer edge, you're going to simply slice it up and serve it. Once it's plated, you're going to hit it with just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of lemon zest, and a little bit of Himalayan pink salt, and you have a simple, beautiful crudo ready to go. 5 minutes.